Yeah, 4A, 4B, yeah. From Mimaropa, 4B. From Caraga. Ayan. From Car. From Barm. DSWD Central Office. La NCR, pasunod ka na. Yeah, from NCR. Yeah. Philippine Carabao Center. If meron. Yeah. Hi. From National Nutrition Council po. From DOST FNRI. Dami natin. Okay, thank you for taking your time to visit our humble place. We hope you enjoy your short stay here. From NDA po, sorry. Ayan. Hi, so, thank you po. And here's Mr. Rocky Doctor to welcome you formally.
Nautusan po. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. I am so much pleased to see na yung mga dating kasamahan, nakikita sa area, and now we are together. Welcome po kayo dito sa Nutridence. If you can extend more time, you can sleep here as well. Di ba? Pwede rin tayo mag-beach or what. But anyway, honestly, I am very thankful. The company is very thankful for receiving me here at Nutridence. It's our first time to have you, many of you, and coming all the way from the different regions of the country. It's an honor to have you here at Nutridence. Okay, so ang utos po sa akin, ina Richelle at saka si Carl, ay mag-present daw po. So, masunod po akong presidente. So, I will do the honor of presenting or introducing to you the company. Okay ba? But before anything else, I would like to see to it that everybody has drunk their coffee or eaten their snack. Or anyway, you can take it in your seat. Okay po? Kasi ang sabi ko kanina sa isang group, ang isang objective ho namin sa mga bisita na napupunta sa Nutridence, pag uwi nyo, at least tumaba man lang kayo ng at least 1 gram. Diba? Okay. So welcome po sa Nutridence Food Manufacturing Corporation. To introduce to the company, though some of you know Nutridence already, I would like to present to you first a 4-minute video video to capsulize what Nutridence Food Manufacturing Corporation is all about. Okay ba? And then, after that, a little slides for you to know more about what we do. And then, after that, mula sa malamig na lugar, magpapayong ho tayo kaya maraming payong boys kasi pupunta tayo sa loob ng planta. Sa loob ng planta, what do you see? We are now on the process of producing yung biscuit po. Okay? So, I think that's the only line open today. So, pwede kayong, kung gusto yung maging operator, o gusto yung maging pack, pwede. Pero bawal lang ho kasi doon. But for your eyes only, everything. You will feel how to be inside the plant. And then, I think 3 items yung makikita nyo hanggang sa new building. And then, back ho tayo dito for the lunch. And then, in time for you to take your lunch to be ready for your next trip. Okay? Ang sabi sa akin, 2 hours lang daw yung allotted time nyo rito, but I will make it 3, but it would be one of the best experience that you have. Okay. I would like also to acknowledge the presence of our admin and finance officer sa company, si Ma'am Divine, doon sa likod. Okay. Okay. Richelle is the marketing. Yan, kilala niyo palagi yan. Si Janelle po, kilala niyo si Janelle? Ano po siya, nag-aabay, she cannot refuse. So, pinagbigyan ko. Besides Richelle is my daughter, Jan. She's based in the US. She's the one importing the product to the US. So, she has his firm there, Nutridence USA. US based. Okay. So, ano pa? And our quality control officer, si Taina, over there, and other Nutridence staff and family. Okay. So, go na tayo. For the orientation of the company, I would like you to please look over our 4-minute video taken like two years ago. I would like to continue po. I added more slides for more information. Like, after that video, I would like to update you po regarding ano yung mga new products na nagawa. Okay? And we have new products as Biscuit. All these products comply to your requirement na 450 kcal, etc. Biscuit for kids, it's a high protein one. Prebis for women at reproductive age. Again, it's a high energy biscuit. We have Prebis biscuit for children naman, pang bata naman siya. So we have a high protein and high energy biscuits. Next. I like also to update you na ang aming company po is CGMP certified, as well as we have now acquired our HACCP certification, and now we are halal certified. So pwede na ho kami pumasok sa barn. Di ba? Yan. Sa lahat ng product. Yes po. Yes. All products may halal as logo na siya. The company is halal certified, the process is halal certified, and the product is halal certified. So, pwede na po tayo. And of course, these certifications connotes at least we are following the standard about sanitation and more. Okay. Next. These certifications also implies the good practices that we have. So, ito na yung nag-guide sa amin para yung mga product na magawa namin complies to what you need. Diba? So, one is sanitation. Number one, we do practice sanitation as mandated by CGMP. And because, alam naman natin, malinis na gawaan, malinis na pagkain. And that goes to our premises in the workplace. Number two, we comply to quality. Kung ano po yung standard na dapat sundin, particularly doon sa protocol ng FNRI, we do follow. Okay? And safety, of course, we like to assure the well-being of our customers. Kailangan lulusog yung kakain, hindi siya ma-hospital. Alright? And then, the packaging integrity, we have to protect our product knowing that transport takes a lot of challenge from here to your destinations. And the labeling compliance, mandatory to the requirement of the we have to. Okay, so makikita po nyo yung product namin na we comply on those aspects. Next. How about our production capacity? Gaano ba kalaki mag-produce si Nutrients? Gaano ba kaya niya? Ang tanong kasi is, kaya ba niyang supplyan si Nutrients yung pangangailangan ng DSWD? Yes. Hindi lang kasi si DSWD yung customer namin, di ba? Mayroon pa ng DepEd, DSWD, NNC, DOH, and more. So, anyway po, we are in the process of updating our capacity. With this equipment, with those products, we have those capacity today. Kunwari po, doon sa biscuit, high protein biscuit, we can produce 142,560 pieces in 24 hours. Kasama na rin po dito, isipin nyo, yung mga tao kasama na nagpo-produce. We're producing a lot with a lot of people being helped as well in their employment. So, and then sa brown rice bar, it's 180,000 bars every 24 hours. Ang takbo ng makina namin dito is 22 hours. Ang shifting ng tao namin dito is 2 shift. Ang tao nagtatrabaho, they got 8 hours regular pay with 3 hours OT palagi yun. So, kitang-kita yung mga trabahador. Okay? And then, next one, yung aming Rimo Choco, ito yung mga makina, makikita nyo lahat ito mamaya po. We can produce 90,000 pieces in 24 hours as well. And gusto ko lang isiningit po namin yung micronutrient powder, 80,000 pieces every 24 hours. Okay. And then, we have also our Nutriban. Yan. Pag-Nutriban ba kayo? Pero, medyo limitado po to. We can actually produce 100,000 pieces. Pero nililimit namin yung capacity knowing that Nutriban has a very short life. So ang kaya lang namin serban, yung nasa vicinity namin na area. Yun. Kinalulungkot ho namin na hindi namin ma-serve yung full capacity namin, but because of the shelf life issue, mahirap po mag-commit. Maraming medyo nagtampo sa amin yung first na lumabas yung Nutriban kasi hindi namin sila na-serban. But our predicament is, much as we like to produce that much, baka habang nasa biyahe pa lang yung Triban, nasisira na. Yun. So, talo. Magagalit pa kayo sa amin. So, instead, sabi ko, hanggang 50 na lang tayo, serban natin si Region 1, and then dito sa Pangasinan, in nearby province, diba? Ganun na lang. Some, I think, nakahabol kami sa Region 3, diba? One time. But, we really have to limit because of the shelf-life issue. Okay. So, yan po yung capacity namin. Next one, ito po yung deliveries made. Sinamarize ko lang kasi marami kayo from all over the Philippines. Ito po yung naserban namin the past 20, 21, 22, 23 with the products. Tignan po nyo, for Region 1, 21, 3 products o gamit nila Ma'am Gretchen. Diba? And then, 2023, 4 na products ang nagamit nila. Okay? And then sa Region 3, I think ito yung just after pandemic ito. Naka-face mask pa kami noon doon na nagdi-deliver with 2 products. And 3 products, I mean. For Region 4A, Calabarzon, so ito pa rin yung nasustain doon na product. For DSWD-NCR, Ma'am Irene, kailang i-specify ko yung pangalan ni Ma'am Irene kasi muntik hindi nabanggit yung NCR. Kay Ma'am Irene, tuloy-tuloy, 3 years in a row. 21, 22, 23, she has the following products. Okay? And for Region 8, for 23, we have the bar. Next one, for this WD car, kay Ma'am Ellen, 21, Nutriban, nahirapan kami dito, Ma'am Ellen, because of the distance. But, 23, 2 product. Region 6, ito yung binili niya. Region 7, last year. And Region 5, 2 products. Meron pa ba? Wala. So, yun po yung parang a short picture of who ordered and who used the product from DSWD. Ma'am Rom, ano na sa'yo? Ano yung balik? Region 7. Yun. Di ba 22? 22 mayroon din, di ba? 22. Yung bar. And then sa 23, yun, madami. Madami na. Okay. So, yun pa yung parang summary. Nakakatuwa. Ako natutuwa mismo because kasama noong pag-deliver ng mga products, I also go to your regions. Diba? Na-enjoy ko yung sumasama ako. Actually, hindi ako nagpapakita ko minsan. Sumasama ako. Just to feel how the delivery goes, how people receive the product. I'm doing my checklist also. Anong response nila. Hindi nyo alam, nandun din ako sumasama. Okay. So, ano po yung pwede natin gawin from now? Next. We look forward to. This is what our company intends to do. 1, we firmly commit to our mission of helping solve the problem of malnutrition in the country through production of research-based food products such as of FNRI. We have a visitor the other day. Sabi niya, kaya mo gumawa ng chips? Kaya mo gumawa ng curls na ganito? Kaya. Kikita ka ng malaki. Pagkakit, ang puhunan ko ganito, itong kikitain mo. Wow, nakaka-intis po, milyon-milyon ang usapan. Sabi ko, sandali na po. I have to go back to our commitment. Our commitment is to help you, to be partner with you, to come up with good products to solve malnutrition in the country. Yun lang po yung focus namin. Parang nakapiring po si Nutridens doon sa idea na yun. No more, no less. Yan po yan. Next. And we further like to collaborate with many agencies such as Nutrition Council, being the policy-making body for nutrition. We have to align our activities with NNC. And for the product that we do, we have to align with USFNRI kasi sila yung technology developer. Okay? Para hindi kami magkamali sa mga product na ginagawa namin, we have to align with them. And for Department of Education, yun na yun, because of their school-based feeding program. For DSWD, because of your FP, di ba? Supplementary feeding program. And for DOH, they also use the product They are part of the advocacy. Sila kasama nyo na nag-advocate. And of course, for DA, nabanggit ko yata kanina kay Ma'am Ellen, the company is in partner with DA in different arbos, with cooperatives. Sila yung nag-supply sa akin ng bigas, monggo, mani, etc. na input naman dito. In that way, hindi lang pala yung mga empleyado ang natutulungan natin, but we are helping farmers together. Hindi nyo alam yan. I'm not buying imported products as my inputs. I'm getting local. Okay? And then, of course, we have to comply with regulatory agencies such as FDA. All our products mentioned are FDA registered. And then, with DNR for the environment. Ewan ko mamaya kung ano sasabihin nyo. Okay? But, we have to comply with DNR for safety and preservation of environment. And of course, with DOLE, having more than 200 employees in the company, we have to comply in everything that DOLE says. Yun. Next one. Another thing that we like to do for the year is to widen our reach. Yung color green po yung naabot na namin. But we haven't reached so far yung iba, either directly or through suppliers. Marami pa po gusto naming maabot because ang aming mission is to help you curb malnutrition in the country. Kaya po yun. We hope we can do it this year. Next one. Of course, we have to come up with more relevant product together with FNRI kung ano yung kailangan nyo. Kasi nag-i-evolve. Do you notice? Nag-i-evolve yung kailangan yung product. You don't stick into one. Tama. Para hindi maumay yung mga bata. So we like to have variety of products. But, common to that, kailangan we meet yung kilocalories that you need, yung nutrition fact that you need. At nag-i-evolve siya. And of course, tama yun. Okay? Noon, uso yung, di ba, yung hot meals. Now you're going into Nutri-Packs like this. And yun, nag-i-evolve din yun. That the company has to go with it. Kailangan. If you need to change equipment or sa research din namin with FNRI, we have to be relevant. Next. And we like to improve our delivery and services. Kaya po, we keep on adding trucks. We keep on negotiating with third-party deliveries para lang maiabot sa inyo on time yung mga deliveries namin. And last one is, this is the ultimate goal that we like. We like to create happy customers all over the Philippines. When they are happy, you are happy, you will be happy. Okay po ba yun? Yes. I think ultimate goal natin. Anybody, yung bata na malusog, happy siya. Bata na napagbigyan, nagpansin, magiging happy siya. Pag naging happy yung bata, it's because of our advocacy, happy tayo. You agree? Yes. So, yun pala magkasama tayo doon sa role na yun. And I think that is my last slide. Thank you so much for visiting Nutridance. I hope we will be able to impart to you knowledge and experience that you can help you in making your plans as to the supplementary feeding program all over the Philippines. And personally, I would like to thank you yung naging customers na namin. Pagkakataon ko to, na magpasalamat ng lubos-lubosan sa inyo. I haven't meet you personally gaya ng iba. It's Rachel and Janelle and Carl who have been going around. Except for deliveries na sumasama ako. But indeed, the feedback is ang babait nila, sir. Ang gagaling nilang kausap. Despite kung minsan na-late kami, naka-smile pa rin sila. And thank you for those smiles. And thank you for those accommodations. Yan po. For NNC, sa Ma'am Ellen, sa FNRI of course, and everybody here, maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa Nutri-Packs. Okay. Are you ready to bear the heat? Mainit po dito sa Pangasinan. Mainit. But anyway, we are ready to bring you to the plant. Plant manager, nasaan? I would like to introduce to you our production head, Cristita Casilia Natas. Okay? So, and then, while you go on tour, may mga kasama rin kayong inassign namin kasi baka may mga tanong ho kayo, at least we can answer you kasi hindi niya masasagot kaagad kung sa dami natin. At me, Rachel, and some of the staff, mga supervisors will be going with you. Mainit po ha, mainit. Walang aircon sa loob. But, with additional reminders, pagpasok ko natin, pagsusutin kayo ng shoes at saka hairnet. Okay lang? And then, no picture taking inside. And then number 3, no eating. Sa bagay, wala nang makakain doon. 4, watch out for hot. May mga equipment na mainit po doon. Especially mga ovens. And then, watch out for slippery floors. Baka may basa doon, baka madulas kayo. Okay. And, tour guide is around to assist you. Nandun po kami. Okay? If you like some question and answer doon mismo, ay isa-isa lang ang sasagot namin para marinig ng lahat. Okay. Any question? Ma'am, you can leave your bags here. Don't worry, may CCTV. Para hindi kayo mahirapan doon. You can leave. I guarantee you, nobody will get it. Ayun yung mga bag nila. Okay. Okay? And then, yes ma'am.
Feeding programs from Mindanao na kumuha ng partners ng Mindanao area.
Yes, ma'am, meron po.
Area.
Area Cotabato.
Pato.
Cotabato.
Pato.
Boss, ma'am, kasi supplier na yung, distributor na po namin yung kumukontak sa amin. Yan sila na po yung nagde-distribute.
Yes po.
Yes po.
Meron pa? Any more? Yes ma'am.
Sir, may I know po yung MNP ninyo na for ilang taon po yun siya? Kasi we are planning to get MNP din kasi, yung micronutrient powder. So for ilang age po yun siya na ano?
We have 3 MNPs ma'am na preparation. 6 micronutrients, 9 and 15. Yan. Can I request our FNRI officer to please answer? Teka na mo.
Si bibili kami ng MNP for our children, especially yung sa for peace namin ng mga bata. Ito yung iyan ng bibigay.
Nandito yung technology generator. Gusto ko siya mag-explain. Teka na mo. Yung 6 micronutrients po, which is 2 grams actually, is good for up to 2 years old. Yeah. But older children who needs more, mamimili lang tayo, it's either the 6 or the 15. If you like the 15, okay rin po yun. It comes in 2 grams. It comes in 2 grams and almost same price. Magkano po? Marketing.
Ano po yung number niya, ma'am? Sige po.
Okay. And then, what else? Yes, ma'am.
Sir, ilan yung ilang grams yung Remo, tapos ilang kilocalories yung isang pack?
Rimo Choco.
Ma'am, Remo curls or choco?
Ito po, this one, 100 grams, ang kilocalorie niya is 457. 100 grams. Rimo curls, wala po dito. It's 120 kilocalories. Yeah. Pero 30 grams. Free taste. Meron po.
Meron po, ma'am.
Mamaya po, hindi man suhol ito, pero when you go home, meron kayong bit-bit, everything is there. For free taste. Nutribar. Nati Fruity, kilocalorie is
450 yung sa brown rice bar na choco flavor.
yung plain,
Yung plain 125. 110 pala, sorry.
okay. Any more? Good. So anyway po, yung other questions mamaya, technicalities, when we come back, pagbalik natin dito, we can still tackle them. Yan. One had used a lot of product, plus, di ba? Yung nakaraan, yung product ng Nutridance, Yun. Kayo po yung gumamit ng MGM, micronutrient. How was it?
Yes po. Included po doon yung micronutrient powder. I think yung 15 po ba yun? 15 microminerals. Okay naman po siya, sir.
Ang silbi kasi ng micronutrient powder is to add more nutrient doon sa bayan na available. Kunwari, kung ano lang yung available na handa ng family, all you have to do is, i-mix mo lang naman, mix din, pwede na. Walang amoy, walang kulay, walang aftertaste. Yan. But you are infusing micronutrients kagad doon sa pagkain. Okay? Ma'am, ang una namin naging client ay si na ma'am sa Region 3. How was it?
Okay naman po yung
Kami po yung problema doon sa Nutriban nung unang bugso ng Nutriban. Na ang daming order na hindi namin kakayanin. Squash problema, yung nag-scarcity ng squash, kami yung pinutukan nun, but we were able to manage. Di ba, ma'am? Kaya gumanda pa rin si ma'am hanggang ngayon. Di ba? That's it. Si Ma'am Joanne. Yeah. Okay. Any more question? Ana. Yes, Ma'am Gretz.
in addition din po, yung Nutriban po ni Nutridence is totoong Nutriban po yun. Compared po sa other e-Nutriban adapters. Legit po siya.
In fairness po kay DOST FNRI, yun po naging problema namin lately. We have an association of adapters sa buong Pilipinas. Pero because of problems, yun nga, ang daming naging challenge. Medyo marami ang naalis sa listahan because of those problems. But kami po, where are we getting our squash? Sa Arbos. Arbos, dito, sa locality. So, lahat nagbe-benefit. Yes. Sabi ni Ma'am Irene, pwede ho raw mag-supply ng Nutriban sa NCR. Sa capacity, Ma'am, kaya. Pero baka maipit tayo sa logistics. Yung delivery. Gustong-gusto ko talaga, pero maipit tayo. Nahirap na. Baka pagalitan nyo kami. Masisira tuloy yung record. Okay? So, are we now ready? And then after po, maglalakad po tayo, papunta ng planta, maglalakad pabalik, and then lunch will be served here. Okay? So, mayroon tayong restroom doon. May restroom din doon sa loob ng plant if you like to do some restroom. Pero maliit yung capacity doon, mas gusto ko dito. Mas social na konti dito. Okay. Are you ready? Yan. May para fresh pa po kayo at hindi pa medyo pumawis yung powder medyo okay pa. Picture mo muna tayo sa harap lahat. Yes. today. This we ask through Christ our Lord. Amen. Kasi mayroon kaming pabaon sa inyo. Ito po ay hindi suhol, gaya ng sabi ko. But simple token of gratitude for you coming over to our place. Okay? It's a composition of the main product of Pangasinan, bangus. Okay? Ilagay nyo sa freezers nyo mamaya kasi it's frozen, boneless bangus. And nakasil naman siya. And gourmet plus our other products. Sample pa.
I will have to give you a token from my birthday, my 60th birthday.
Divine had just celebrated Divine had just celebrated her 60th birthday nung Saturday. So senior citizen na siya. And together we also celebrated our 40th wedding anniversary. Yeah. Now, mga hindi pa nakakilala or our friends bakit naka-wheelchair siya ngayon na hindi naman dati, it's also a warning for everybody that you have to be very careful when you're taking a bath. Napaupo siya, nadulas siya sa banyo. So, natamaan po yung kanyang pelvic. Ang tama ay sa lumbar. So, she has to undergo laminectomy to maramalis yung pressure. Okay. She has to, last year pa yon, but God's grace, nakakalakad na siya, no? And may mobile na siya. Yan po yun. Thank you. May information pa, no? Sige po. So, we are now giving the souvenirs nung ng anniversary namin. Thank you. Whitening soup. Intro pa lang sa market, ano? Beauty pa. Joke lang po. Each one of you will be bringing home one like this and one. Okay? It's a bundle of thanksgiving and joy for having you here. Thank you so much. At dagang salamat. Any questions? Kung may mga tanong po kayo regarding anything about our products, our company, our services, o gano'n. Kung may tanong lang po. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Michelle. Kindly attend. Yung mic, pakipas. Kay ma'am. Bilis. Parang.
Hello po. Maraming salamat po sa lunch. Sobrang sarap.
Yeah.
Since we are preparing for the 14th cycle, pwede po kami makahingi ng quotation. Baka pwede pa namin isama sa budget namin.
Yes, ma'am. We can. Sa bagay, pare-parehas naman ang price natin sa DSWD. So we can send sa emails po nyo. We'll be
Pwede po sa CO na lang po sila na mag-cascade.
Yes, ma'am. Sa CO.
dyan.
Yes. Para minsan. Anyway, near and far, parehas naman yung price. Yes.
Plus yung mga other details, ma'am, ng aspects, pwede din namin isend sa inyo through email. Sige, please. Yes, ma'am.
Pwede po, kasali po kung ilang calories.
Yes, ma'am. Lahat po ng kakailangan nyo na details, isi-send po namin. Ma'am? Yes, ma'am. At least ngayon, ma'am, may mga sample products na po kayo.
Ma'am Grace, maraming salamat po. At Ma'am Bambi, maraming salamat po. To Ma'am Ellen ng NNC, yung ating lady, Janelle, from FNRI, sa ating kasama sa from my group. May office kanina. NDA, PCCA. Thank you for coming here as well. This will be a milestone to the company that a group like you has visited us. First time. Yes. Thank you.
So, ayan. So, we would also like to thank you, Sir Rocky, and your team for accommodating us. So, thank you so much for the very warm welcome, and ang daming na-experience talaga namin is very unique, and first time din po ito for the program. So, we would like to thank you for responding to our request. Pinag-usapan namin to nila Ma'am Janelle parang last year nung nasa Manila. So, eto na yon. And nagre-request na po sila sa akin na yearly na daw gawin. So, children. So, thank you so much po, and belated happy birthday and happy anniversary po sa inyo.
Thank you. I really hope na may natutunan po tayo dito regarding sa production and all. Next year, pagpunta nyo rito, magdala na kayo ng swimming suit. Kasi meron ng pool dyan sa kabila. Alright. Okay? Something to look forward. Kailangan sexy na tayo nun para worthy na i-video.